What?
You locked me in here.
What?
You locked me. I see that smile.
You don't see me smiling.
Yeah, because there's a little crack.
Look right here.
I can stick my arm out there.
I tricked you, didn't I? Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Today is a very special episode for a couple reasons. The first reason is this is my 100th episode. In the past month, I've put out 17 episodes. That's the most I've ever put out in a short period of time since I've been doing YouTube. Videoing is not the problem. Doing the work is not the problem. I'm not doing any more work around the farm than I ever was. It's the editing. But I am getting faster and faster, and hopefully this is something that I can keep up. The second reason this is a special video is I'm doing a giveaway, and it's the first giveaway I've done since, I believe it's several years ago. One of the first videos I ever put out, I had a giveaway in. And I'm calling it my 50,000 subscriber giveaway, but really I'm at like 44,900 or something like that. But 44,934 just doesn't have the same ring to it as 50,000 subscriber giveaway. So the title should say 50,000 subscriber giveaway. Hopefully before too long, that's a more accurate description. But I have something special I'm wanting to give away. When I was thinking about what do I want to give away, I wanted it to be something that I thought was a game changer, something that when I got, it really made a difference. And let me show you what it is. It's a Makita track saw. Now, this is a tool I wanted for a long time, and when I finally got it, I couldn't believe I'd waited so long. It's just changed my workflow in my shop completely. And you don't have to be a fine woodworker to get the advantage of a track saw. It is such a great tool for making accurate cuts on large sheet goods or even on hardwood. So I'll be giving away one saw and a piece of track to whoever the winner is that'll be randomly selected. To enter into the giveaway, you've got to do three things. The first is go down into the comments and just tell me what your first project would be if you won this saw. I'm really interested to see if everybody else would be as excited about getting a saw like this as I am. The second is, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. The last one is, hit that share button and share this video. Anything you can do to get the word out and help me grow the channel. I'm putting all this extra effort into it, and I'm really hoping to see it grow. Because I'm doing so many videos now, I'm not going to do the giveaway in the next video. I'm going to do it in episode 105. So make sure you tune into episode 105 to see if you're the winner. Also, before I forget it, unless something changes, this is going to be US only. I'm sorry, I realize I've got some overseas subscribers and viewers, and I will work on something that I can do for you all as well. All right, so that's enough about the giveaway. Now onto the video. So in yesterday's video, I put the door in and got it hung and swinging. Today, I'm going to install door stop, hopefully get a door handle on it, and then I'd also like to get the hole cut for my dust collection so I can trim this door out as well. So I'll stop talking and see if we can get some work done.
Dreaming of a house I can keep empty to match my mood, but also to be always open for discovery. White walls, keep them bare this time, don't bother sewing curtains for the
All right, what I need you to do is I need you to go inside here and just push the door shut until it's flush on the edge.
Who am I to turn him out? Ooh, don't be mistaken, I'm not sad, I've just awakened to the fact I might need to try something new. Ooh, don't you worry, I'll be fine in the flurry of the scales falling from my eyes. And I'll begin again where I landed. begin again where I am. New start, and nothing clean or pure or holy. No sweet redemption to console me. Does this vision only clear since I stumbled in the valley? Oh, don't be mistaken, I'm not sad, I've just awakened to the fact I might need to try something new. Ooh, don't you worry, I'll be fine in the flurry of the scales falling from my eye. And I'll begin again where I landed. I'll begin again where I am. And I'll think, oh my God, this fall could kill me. Oh my God, fear the pain. Oh my God, the ground comes swiftly, but I get back up just the same. And I begin again where I landed. I begin again where I am. I begin again where I landed. I begin again where I am. I'll begin again where I am. Begin again where I am.
But it
You know
is
what?
flesh.
You had the key in here. Oh, no, you didn't. It was out here. I thought you had a key in here. I'm going to put the key in the lock. So until we get this switched around, if for any reason you get locked in here, the key will be in there. But you shouldn't be in here, so it shouldn't matter. You hear me? There's no reason you should be in this mechanical room.
Unless you're in here.
Unless I'm in here or tell you to come in here.
Or I could just